Well, good morning. It's 6:15 in the morning. Yeah, we're just about ready to rock and roll. We're hitched up. So just putting the last few drags in the caravan, and then we're going to be off. As you can see, it's just a little over 3¼ hours, but I plan to stop at a place called Taunton Services. There, it's about an hour and a half into the journey, so it's about halfway. So yeah, should be good to go. So we're on the way now. We have done the Swindon to Bristol bit, and as you can see, it's a little bit early for some people. There's a bread chef in that one, so I feel breakfast and a coffee coming on. How about you?
I need to wait. That's what I need.
What's the parking like on this one?
Can't remember. Cannot remember. Just as long as we follow signs for lorries and park alongside the lorries, we'll be fine.
Yeah.
In the UK, I think it's better to ignore caravan signs and just follow the signs for the lorry park, and then you know you're going to have enough space. Loads of other people do that.
Like traffic on your route.
No, there isn't light traffic on our route.
There is.
No, there isn't. Look at it. It's busy. It's 7:41 in the morning, for goodness sake.
So just for your information, we have the car sat nav is set to the services going to, and the Garmin sat nav and set for the actual campsite itself, or the Avon site we're going to.
There's a massive queue in that services
To get in?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Coffee and a roll, bacon roll. Blimey, it is busy.
It's really busy.
Coaches only.
So where are we going to go?
Well, now this is busy. There are caravans all over the place. So yeah, we'll see if we can find somewhere to stop. Caravans everywhere you look, all the way down. Well, we're in, they've all gone to the toilet, so it's just me and Jess. Isn't it, Jess?
That noise you've just heard is the noise that Jess only ever comes up with when we're away and we walk away from her. It doesn't matter which one of us walks away from her, whether we're in a shop or anything like that, she starts this howling. You just don't hear it at any other time.
Well, that was fun, but we're here at long last and I can feel a swim coming on in a bit. Hello, here we go. So it's levelling time. What we'll do first of all is just unhook this from the car. Now, a tip. See this? This is concertinaed up. So what will happen is, if that was to raise off the car as it is now, it will then push this right against the bumper and probably smash it in, because that will expand by that much. So the best thing to do is move the car forward first. Not by much, an inch or two, so bear with me one second. So doing that will save you other pride and joy. And just like any holiday, when you get there you need to get things organised and set up, and people looking after the dog and toilet breaks and all the rest of it. Not quite the flattest pitch in the world, but you can see we've got it levelled there. We've got the awning up, TV plugged in, and the bike's off the back of it.
While it may look like those jobs took us about 10 seconds, in reality that's 2 hours.
Now the beach of this Avon site is absolutely stunning, and believe it or not, even in high season it's available for dogs. Now Jess, first time we ever took her on the sand, she loved it. Do you like this? I think she likes this. Look how empty this is. Brilliant for her to be able to run like this. Bear in mind, this is the height of summer.
Maybe the fact there's about 10 million steps and a steep ladder all the way down to the beach could explain why it's so empty.
So as you'd expect with a place like this, there are some activities which do cost some additional money. So after some consultation with Katniss and Hawkeye, then archery and shooting appeared on the menu. Now apart from that, the blue door was open and our ticket to go and explore Cornwall was ready and waiting. Now Falmouth was first on our list to go and visit, as we wanted to try and increase our World War II knowledge. Now on a previous caravanning holiday to St Nazaire in France, we actually went to go and see this submarine base and the proposed dock for the brand new destroyer called the Tirpitz. And the way that that links to Falmouth though is Operation Chariot, as it was known, was sent from Falmouth to St Nazaire to destroy the lock gates where this boat was supposed to go. So I'm going to suggest you check out another YouTube search, The Greatest Raid of All, hosted by Jeremy Clarkson. But Falmouth itself is such a pretty little town, insomuch that there's plenty of places to go and shop, and we did find another nice dog-friendly restaurant.
We can thoroughly recommend Lizard Point as a lovely place to visit. We've been there a few times before and we always really like it. You can park up the top, there's a few shops, and then you can actually walk down with your dog to Lizard Point. And we went for a lovely lunch in the cafe there, very dog friendly. Lizard Point is actually an old abandoned lifeboat station.
From way early, like 1914. And as we were told, we did see a seal.
For the first time when we were there, there was a new tiny little art gallery opened by an artist who's 80 years old called Mo. She was there with her partner Veronica. Both Sammy and us, we bought some new artwork. And then we made our way back. Just a really nice way to spend the day. This shows us walking back from Lizard Point and our dog showing off and David showing off as well. What could be better?
Now then, for our main holiday shopping experience, in week one anyway, we went to Penzance, where we did a lot of diving in and out of shops, and obviously lunchtime came, we were getting a bit hungry, so we thought, ooh, an all-day breakfast, which actually happened to be dog-friendly, and Jess, bless her, was really good.
In the background here you can see St Michael's Mount, so we decided to just drive the 10 minutes and go and have a look at it. It's a place where the monks used to live, and at low tide you can walk across. We drove down through the pretty little town, parked up at the end and went for a walk along the seafront. And we really hope you've enjoyed just a few highlights from our first week away of our 2019 holiday in Cornwall.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button where you can receive notifications as well via the little bell. Thank you.